We have another thank you press release from KTM. Technically GasGas, but we all know it's just red KTM. This being that Justin Barcia and the team have officially split ways after their 5 years together. Now, the press release from them saying, quote, American superstar Bam Bam plays a pivotal role in the brand's racing history. Rockstar Energy GasGas Factory Racing would like to express its thanks to Justin Barcia after 5 historic years together in the AMA Supercross and Pro Motocross Championships, which include the brand's first 450 SX main event and 450 MX overall victories. Now, if you remember this, he joined the team in 2021 and won in his debut at, what was it? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong here. Houston, I want to say. So for him, I mean, that's a really good start. And you got to say, 5 years on a factory squad, or what you'd have to, I'm assuming, consider a factory squad, has an energy drink sponsor, is a big team, big name rider. 5 years for a team is a long time. And for them, I mean, hey, he put them in the history books. That team already has a win, already has a Supercross win, and a outdoor overall because of him. Not exactly bad. Over the course of 4 years that followed this, Barcia would claim a haul of podium results in both Supercross and Pro Motocross, with another 450 SX main event victory at East Rutherford in 2023. Now, obviously, they continue this aboard the GasGas MC 450F Factory Edition model. You got to put a little bit of advertising in your thank you note. Anyways, it's not exactly a bad thing. He finished fifth overall in both the 2022 and the 2023 Supercross Championships. Not exactly a bad rider. I personally really like Justin Barcia. I think he brings some fun to this. Like, obviously, when he was younger, Bam Bam was a title that he definitely claimed and used. Obviously, as things have gone on, he's gotten a little older. Is not as big as he was, or as big into that as he was. But still one of those guys that, if you pass him, you have to pass him and get away. It's not that he's going to come and just like take out your rear tire all the time, but you have to know he's going to fight you hard. And it's one of those things. He's 33 now. So the TLD Ducati contract, or whatever you want to call it, move is probably going to be the last contract he gets. Whether that's 1 year, 2 years, who knows? Probably, at least my thought, new team, kind of trying to build itself. It's probably going to be a 1 year contract, and see if they can help build, where that's going to go. With the rumor of him and Ferrandis, I want to believe, if I'm right there, going over to that team. And Ducati, with everything they do, at least right now in motorcycle racing, I mean, granted, it's all road racing and MotoGP and World Superbike and all that stuff. They win. I mean, they create absolute rocket ships, and they are winning titles. They're getting a bunch of wins. They are the dominant OEM at the moment. So they're going to come into this sport, and they're going to want to be competitive. They're not going to want to come into this sport and finish 12th or 15th or something like that, and just kind of bumble around. So it's going to be one of those. I don't see this being as lenient as it is with GasGas, obviously, or Beta, like some of these other people coming in. This is going to be one of those rides that go out there. We're going to give you a rocket ship of a dirt bike. Go out and be competitive. Go out and be fast. Go, who knows? Maybe he gets another debut win on a different bike. It's going to be red again, so a little luck there. Who knows? I don't really see that as much as like Justin Barcia. I don't see him as a title contender anymore. He's a competitive 5 through 10 guy to me. That's nothing saying anything negative against him. It's just everybody is so ridiculously fast now. And at 33, you are not old, but in the overall scope of this sport, you're old. I mean, you gotta be honest about it. But it's good for him, obviously, to keep him or to keep racing, be on a big name bike, a money squad, not just a privateer ride. Here, go out and do it if you want to. But I don't know. This is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for him to continue racing? Are you excited for Ducati to come in? Anything about GasGas? I don't know. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.